Hello everyone! It's me, Jucel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and leave a comment to our comment box. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you the part 2 of our Glow Up series. Okay, so this is the part 2. If you were not able to see the part 1, I have shared with you the link below. So just click there so that you can view the first part of our Glow Up series. Do you want to glow up?
Oh my god!
Yes! So, please keep on watching. See you! I know that sometimes it's really hard to take good care of yourself, especially if you are tired of struggling with a bad mood, lack of motivation, anxiety. But remember, sometimes doing a few things for yourself helps to push a big chunk of these negative feelings away. So you have to listen to this Glow Up series because you will really learn a lot of it, especially in taking good care of yourself. So welcome to the part 2 on how to glow up your face. This part of your Glow Up challenge focuses on small beauty improvements that you can do for your face, especially if you want to achieve a serious, radiant glow of your skin. Number 1. Let's get that skin glowing. I have great news for you here. If you're already doing the body part, your face is getting prettier just because of that. All that water and a healthy diet are feeding your skin to help it rebuild, make more collagen, clear out pimples, acne, redness, and what now? Any exfoliators are super effective and gentle enough for any type of skin. Just don't overdo it. Once a week is completely enough. And if you have a sensitive skin, make it once in 2 weeks. Start doing face massage with oils every week. I love face massage. They definitely help you get that glowing, healthy, smooth skin. You can choose olive oil, coconut oil, but my favorite one is rose hip seed oil. This oil has practically transformed my skin, and I think it's because it's high in natural retinol, which is very effective at reducing fine lines. Start using face mask or face packs every week. Sheet masks work wonders and are not expensive. So what I like to do is just pick a few at the drugstore, preferably the natural ones, and have them ready in case I find a few minutes to relax with the mask on. Masks are concentrated with hydrating and replenishing ingredients, so it's a perfect way to glowy, pretty, radiant skin. And yes, all skin types need a face mask once a week, either if it's dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, and acne skin. So, what if you don't have money for face mask? No, it's not a problem. You can use what you have in the kitchen and don't believe that those things don't work. They do. You can never go wrong with DIY mask made with mashed banana, crushed oats, mango, honey, a little bit of oil, Greek yogurt, avocado. Just mix and match to find which food your skin tends to love and feed it. You will love it. Moisturize like crazy. Moisture is the main thing your skin needs in order to look great. So invest in a good non-comedogenic moisturizer. You can use a serum and use it religiously, morning and night, to keep your skin plump and healthy. Next thing, you should start using that sunscreen. If you've been skipping on this, it's time to create a skincare habit of applying sunblock every morning and reapplying it throughout the day. I know it's a messy thing to do, but believe it or not, you will notice positive improvements in your skin as soon as a few weeks after starting. Oops! Don't forget the makeup! Makeup is such an easy way to enhance your beauty. It would be an absolute shame to skip it. Learn about the newest makeup trends and tricks. Practice makeup tutorials by watching YouTube videos, and don't be afraid to experiment with different makeup looks. For the part 1, we focused on your skin. I have shared with you on how to exfoliate your skin, how to moisturize your skin, massage your skin with oil, you can use serums, and having face masks once in a week. But for the part 2, we are going to focus on your next glow up area, and that would be your brows. And so we are done with other face glow ups. And now, it's time to do an eyebrow inspection. Are they even? Are they overplucked or too thin? In that case, consider regrowing them and reshaping them into a more natural, fuller shape. Now, they take some time to grow back, but you can hide it pretty well with good makeup and rock that fuller brow until it actually grows back. Another thing I recommend do is checking if the eyebrow pencil or shadow you're using is not too dark for your face. Next is lip care. Stop living with dry and flaky lips. Seriously, you probably don't even know how beautiful your lips are. Include a lip scrub into your skincare. Just try it and you will be surprised how pretty your lips actually are and how much they can add to your look. The next part is how to glow up your hair. Number 1 that you can do is to trim the split ends. Do you hate reading that sentence? Me too, but those dry ends really don't make your hair prettier. Trim them, just do it. Schedule that salon visit, do it, and move on. If you are dyeing your hair, renewing the color can feel very refreshing and make a whole difference in the way your hair looks. You don't have to change your whole length color unless you want some big changes in your appearance. Simply coloring it the same color again will make your hair look healthier, shinier, and the color more vibrant. And so you have learned a lot from the part 1 and part 2 of our glow up series. I hope that you learned a lot from this video. I'll see you on the next video for our last, the part 3 of our glow up series. See you, bye!
But I think that I lost. I'm a party girl, she just wants